Hi Vatsala.
Hi Abhiram.
What are you doing?
I am observing ants. They have some interesting, cool behaviors.
Ants have behaviors?
Well, of course. You might find it surprising, but all living things have very, very interesting lives, and they have interesting ways in which they interact with each other. Everything from ants all the way to big trees and big animals like elephants. We are here at the National Center for Biological Sciences, otherwise known as NCBS, which is located in Bengaluru, where we have groups looking into the biological mechanisms of life from small molecules all the way to big ecosystems. And we want to tell all of you the exciting science that goes on here in the form of a lecture series. So starting today, we'll have a very interesting series of lectures covering research at NCBS from the level of molecules to tissues to behaviors of animals and to ecosystems. And we are happy to collaborate with ANRF to bring you all this series of lectures. I hope you all have a wonderful time watching and learning. Thank you.